Hey guys, Andrew McFarlane here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy and healthy. Today we are talking about juice bar drive-throughs. What are my thoughts on this? If you're considering opening a location and maybe you might be looking for a drive-through, you're going to want to stay tuned and hear all that I have to share about this. But if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know who I am and you don't know what we do, over the last decade, myself and my company has had the pleasure of supporting hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world launch and scale successful juice concepts, acai bowl businesses, smoothie trucks, smoothie bars, and more, as well as running our own businesses in this sector. So all the information on this channel is coming from that wealth of experience, early invitation to press the like button. That's going to support the channel, the algorithm, help the world get healthier by empowering more people like you. And if you're not subscribed to the channel and you're new, you definitely want to do that. Hit the notification bell. That way you get alerted anytime we release new content. And now, without further ado, let's dive in. So this has come up recently because there's a few clients that we're working with and they are in situations where they might be able to convert their buildings into drive-throughs, and they were asking me, what are my thoughts about this? Do I think this is beneficial? And like many things, a lot of it is going to depend on the uniqueness of your situation. And we'll speak about just my general feelings overall about drive-through businesses. The first thing that is important to outline is that no matter what business you're in, or service you provide, or product that you sell, there's always a process that is connected to that product, service, or business. And we as human beings, we like things to be convenient. So whether you're ordering food, or you're even ordering a massage, or you are going to the dentist, you want that process to be as streamlined as possible, because time is such a precious commodity, right? You can't make more time, but you can make more money. So even oftentimes people would be willing to invest more money in a service that's more convenient. So that being said, let's think about this as it relates to drive-through businesses, okay? If you are in an area primarily that is high volume, high traffic, a lot of people in these environments are much more sensitive to time. Now, doesn't mean that everyone isn't, but these individuals tend to be. So if you can get a drive-through, you are going to support people in saving time, convenience, process. And so in general, I'm a big fan of drive-throughs if you can do it. Now, that being said, you have to be aware that this, I like to call it the second iteration and second phase of what's happening in the juice bar business. Previously, we've had companies like Jamba Juice, Smoothie Kings that, they're evolving, but these companies primarily were places that I would go when I was younger for the sake of having a smoothie that tasted great and also was cold and, affordable. That was my intention as a kid, going to places like Jamba Juice. And now, as I like to call it, as the second phase in development of the consumer, now people are looking for things that are really going to support them with their health. People want to gain more information. People want to meet people in their community that are also going to be on a similar timeline and similar journey as them to go and maybe do cleanses together and things of this nature. Now, how does that relate to a drive-through? It's because you may want to think about how important it is that you facilitate these kinds of relationships, these kinds of experiences. If you only have a drive-through, it may be difficult to do that. It's the same reason why food trucks are a little bit of a challenge, because it's not always easy for people to build community around food trucks. They can do it, but it can be more difficult than a storefront that has tables that, is protected from the weather, and people can become a destination, it can become a destination point and location for them. In other situations, that's not the case. And so you have to be aware of that, and know that it's maybe for most of you not a question of either or, do you do one or the other, but maybe you do a combination of both. But understand first and foremost what kind of experience you want to facilitate, because if community is one of your biggest driving factors and values, and you want to build deep relationships with your community, maybe having a drive-through could hinder that. But from a product and convenience standpoint, understand that drive-throughs are very helpful. The last thing that I want to mention is that the faster you can process orders, the more money you will make. It's that simple, okay? I don't know how many times you as a consumer, I know I observe this in my life a lot because I'm quite busy, but maybe for you, you've observed yourself making decisions around food based on timing. You might say, oh, I've got to go from here, here. Where do I know that's going to be good, but it's also going to be really fast? And that might be a margin of 5 extra minutes that you have to eat, 10 extra minutes. And so people will make decisions on whether to order from your business depending on how fast the experience can be. And so this is why if you don't do a drive-through, maybe that's not available to you. But just as a general theme, think about how you can make the process fast. That might be through a grab and go, which I'm a big fan of. It might be through curbside pickup. It might be through people calling ahead of time to have things prepped and ready to go for them in the grab and go. It could be all kinds of things that you do, online ordering, all the things that you can do to increase the convenience of the process of consumers ordering from your business is going to make you more money. So if you need help with this or any other aspect of your business, reach out to me at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Happy to help. Hope this was valuable to you all. Questions or comments, put in the comment box below. If you haven't pressed the like button yet, another invitation to do that. Subscribe, notification bell so you get alerted when there's more content. Last few announcements. You definitely want to follow us on Instagram. Special giveaways that we're giving away strictly there on Instagram, as well as other exclusive content. Podcasts on Spotify and iTunes, the Juice Bar Experts podcast. That's all for today. Hope you guys are happy and healthy. See you in the next video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.